My name is Jeffrey Chen. I'm a quantum engineer at IQM. So my daily work involves operating experiments with our quantum processors, characterizing them, giving benchmark, and feeding back to our fabrication team. As a physicist, I'm excited about seeing quantum mechanics in actions and being in a useful way to the world. As an engineer, I'm excited about how carefully engineered our quantum processors has to be and all our lab environment has to be in order to make good use of the quantum processors. It's a very exciting environment that you get to work not only with renowned scholars in the field, but also with talented engineers from microwave engineer, hardware engineer to software engineer, that you can collaborate with all kinds of different people with different background and different strengths. And you can also learn from so many people. I feel very excited and thrilling in learning even more. I've studied in atomic physics when doing my PhD study. Back then we used to work with potassium atoms where many properties of the atoms you cannot really control, so you just have to live with what nature gives you. So during that time, many times I wish that I could change the property of potassiums, but here's the periodic table that constrained me from doing so. But here at IQM, it's actually very nice that in our fabricated chips, we can actually control all the property of these so-called artificial atoms. So what you can see here is that our cryostat open. So each layer has a decreasing temperature from top to bottom. And the temperature stages ranges here from 4 Kelvin all the way down to a fraction above absolute zero, where we put our quantum processors and benchmark it. So once we mount our quantum processors here and connect all the cables, we can then close the cryostat and then cool it down to close to absolute zero, and then we do our measurement and then see the quantum mechanics in action.